I want the hammer.
Okay.
Yes, that's fire. That was like just.
I had to start a new video.
Follow me.
Yes, I am planning on putting this on YouTube, so.
Put it all.
It'll be 3 videos, so.
And then we can put it on with the
3 or more.
We can light it on fire and just watch the filming.
Yeah, but there would be no way to do it as be.
Would you mind if I throw it?
Strategizing.
Henry, do you mind if I throw this for just a second when you're done unwinding it?
Yeah, I'm just doing this for range.
Hold it right there.
Yeah.
Whoever splits it open wins. The prize is white stuff. Yay.
Yay!
Whoever breaks the pinata, bring you
So, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4 bronies and 4 non-bronies?
I am a perfect person with knives. I juggle knives.
Wait, bronies win.
Not next to me.
But yeah, I haven't been able to shout out anyone. One half Space Hardwells, the other half Billy Bats Pie, and 900 Jackman. The hell? What, you've never spit on your hand to get dirt off?
Nope. Not really. That's the dumbest thing ever.
Hey, it works.
Just wipe it off. Axe versus thing that cuts wood.
Don't.
Or stick versus thing that cuts stick. Where's the big stick? Stick versus
Under your legs.
No,
The walking stick.
yeah.
Brady and them brought over there.
Is it playing fair now?
No, not right now.
Oh yeah. On a stick.
Don't try Gangnam Style on a stick, dude.
Yeah.
Hold on, we should totally have a log rolling. Ben, Zach, get on it.
Log roll. How about you cut off that?
Roll.
Great. Come here. We're gonna make a system for association. You want my big stick? Oh, I guess everybody. No, I did cord. Everybody wants my stick. What? Yes, what is? Who wants to watch me swing it around my head and break it?
Jack, you might want to
What
stop
are you
doing
doing?
that.
Everyone wants to move
I already did.
away from me.
Oh shit, Nico, run!
You're not black now.
Okay.
Dude, stop.
Where are you going?
I'm real hood gangster. You're going to get pics of your testicles. Oh well.
What are you doing now?
He's going to make crop circles. He's making make crop circles first.
a hell of a time finding it.
Make crop circles. You can do it.
Don't throw it at us, though.
You can
Yeah.
do this fucking hand
Oh
up.
shit!
Stand down,
Everybody get down.
Hey, no!
Get the figure started.
Aha!
Everybody get.
to throw it now.
If you break the truck, I'm gonna kill you.
Oh, let me try.
Would you like the second finale? Would you like to run over with your truck?
Yes.
Yes!
Okay, guys, I'm gonna
First gear.
My turn.
No, it's not turn.
That's heavy as
Yeah, just like
hell
you
when it's
start
done with.
putting gear, let it roll.
Actually, what you need to do is I can put it in neutral.
Everyone get away
Wait,
from
wait.
Zach.
Yeah, Brady, you might want to get 10
I remember
steps
put
away.
Put like the front brake lights on.
Brady,
The back will spin. It's like.
increase your distance by about 20%.
Yes.
Wait, 90% cooler.
You didn't say what I did there.
Please tell me you did that.
Rainbow Ash.
Ready?
For the win.
Wait, can I do it?
Let's crack the tree a little while.
You send me
Right round, baby, right round.
You didn't bring your phone, did you?
Huh.
Hey, look. Nice and cut that. So, cord off.
Huh.
Let's run it over with the truck.
Yeah.
Or we can do it with my car. I don't care.
Come on, Zach.
Hey,
I want to do one more.
Hey, I still
Huh.
haven't used the stick yet.
Hold on. Zach, take
Where's the hammer?
the last thing that was that piece of shit log there, like my rule.
Guys might want to get out of the way.
I'm
I'm gonna throw it up.
No, I won't. You hit me with that. Look at that.
Fail.
You guys might want to get out of the way still.
My turn.
Hey, you're smacking against the ground.
Hey, where's your machete?
Over here on the table.
The cord is by the fact that we're going fucking crazy. Oh shit. My turn.
Okay, well, I get my foot out. Hey,
I have one. I have hit with. Wait, please.
Yeah, boy. You know, I think smack him in and get to the ground. Let's make a tree. Sure. Now you're ready to do your
Hey, you do Charlie Brown. Take it away where he tries to take it.
You actually did it.
Oh no!
Brandon, he's better than you.
Wait, I guess we had the $20 offer still? Yeah, I guess the $20 offer still stands. We're gonna let the go watch in motion around the world. Again. Get over it.
Nobody's done it so far. Alright, let's put this fuck right before someone gets started. You gotta smack it. Wait, I want to
The truck.
Let's just cut the wire real fast.
No, smack it against the ground. You need to cut this up first. Just smack it against the ground. Here, I'll cut it.
Yeah.
I want the final thingy. I want the.
Might want to get.
You gotta really raise it up though.
No. Here, can I smash it one more time with the hammer?
Okay.
No.
And the log.
Hold on.
Let it smash it. And then the axe will cut it.
1 sec, Brady.
Okay, what do we smash now? We're cutting the cord off.
Give me that, I can cut it.
Ready? Yes or no?
Oh my God.
I'm a
Move.
He's gonna cut it. Hey, you missed.
Fail.
Like me.
That would have been a good hit though.
I know.
Okay.
I think that did it. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, get the fuck out, dodge!
What's better?
Smack the car.
Forward's better.
Thank you.
Okay,
You gotta watch this run over it with the car.
What? We smash for your school now.
No.
Where'd you put it?
Hold on. Start the back tire.
Alright, Zach, get out of the back, get out of the way.
Don't worry, Brady, your license plate is kind of blurred out by itself, so.
Sorry, man. I think it's pretty tough.
Hold on. Got one more tire?
Drive it up and sit on it.
Yeah.
You just sit on it.
Well, hold on. How about you have the heaviest one here?
Straight.
Ready.
Keep going. Come on.
Keep going, dude.
Keep going. Let's see, back it up. Yeah. Back it up more. Back it up. Go. More. Lock. That's good. Stop. Here, let me get it under the tire. Okay, go. No. More. Lose for speed. Alright, stop there.
Come on now. Stop.
Alright, well, you're on it. Okay, I guess go now. Forward.
Oh my God, it's still whole.
Alright, stop right there. Good, now you're on it.
Yeah, burn it out.
You're gonna be able to cut it loose? Whatever.
You're still on it.
You just ran over it.
Good. Stop right there. Good.
Back a little. Right there.
Oh.
Up about an inch.
Okay.
Right there.
Okay, that's fine.
We'll burn it tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just leave it there and then we'll burn it later.
And I'd say that should be it. So.
Congratulations to the
Oh my God! Yes.
Oh, mine.
No.
Oh, mine.
No.